Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix apps crashing on your foldable display on Motorola Razr 70 Ultra. So here we have our phone. Now of course, we are going to unlock it. And after we unlock it, what are we going to do is here, let's go over. Here we have the main screen. Now, of course, if the app is not working for you, what you guys want to do first is go over and try and enable it. As you guys can see, for me, every single app works pretty fine. And yeah, and of course, I chose Google Messages here. But if you have a custom app, for example, not something like Gmail, every single time you press on an app, it'll say to open on the external display. This app may not be designed for this screen size. So we click on allow and we just pray that our app is not really compatible, but that it somehow works. As you guys can see, it's not working bad. Here we will have our map. It is just loading up for me. And if it's not loading up for you, what you guys want to do first is simply restart the phone. So we're going to press the power button, volume up button at the same time, tap on restart, and now it is restarting. So that was a quick restart to refresh the system. Of course, some apps are specifically made for the external display and some of them are just not working, and you need to check if your app is supporting the foldable screen. If it's not, then you have your answer and you probably won't be able to do anything unless they update the app. But here, what are we wanting to do? Is we want to choose an app that is crashing for us, go to settings, and here in the app we have something called the apps. Here we choose an app, for example it was messages for me, and here what we have is storage and cache. So we can clear our storage, we can clear the cache, we can clear everything just by clicking delete and delete. Now as you guys can see, space used 0 bytes. So now this is how it works. So we need to sign in again. Of course, I do not have connection, but as you guys can see, we will have to sign in again and etc. And that's how you guys will be able to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.